I'm Alec Lucaz, and today I'm going to be carving in the hardest wood in North America called black locust. And I'm going to be kind of refining or finishing up this great horned owl that I started in the last video. And today I'm just going to be getting more depth. I'm going to be using a few different tools that I'll show you in a second to kind of deepen certain areas, get the feathers background kind of set in. I'm going to start by using my chainsaw and Manpa. This is a 5012B electric Makita. It's not very easy on the hands, so it's good to have anti-vibration gloves if you're going to be running this saw. I'm also going to be using, well, I should say this has a carving bar on it. I believe it's a 12-inch Pro carving bar. It doesn't have a sprocket as most carving bars, so you want to make sure and dip your chain and bar tip in oil. I'm also using a 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch die grinder and Dremel, and these are flame tip extreme cutting heads, which are a type of burr. I'm also using a nice desk brush or bench brush, ear protection. I've got noise canceling earbuds to protect my ears, and I've got, most importantly, a nice face shield with a dust protector. This protects the lungs, right? You only get one set of those, and so I've got lots of extra batteries, and I'm taking you with me. So let's get into it. Okay, that's that. That's a wrap. I went around with the 5012B chainsaw, parameter of the owl, made some depth all the way around, kind of heightened the details with the 1/8 inch Dremel with the flame tip, as well as came in with that 1/4 inch die grinder with the flame tip, the extreme cut saw flame tip, and detailed the body a bit more. Went around, of course, did the eyes, burned the beak, accentuated any of the feathers that needed to be accentuated with the propane torch, and that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed. I guess if this is the hardest wood in North America, it's all up from here. So there's that. All right, see you guys in the next one. Bye.